Everyone, welcome back. In today's class, we're going to quickly look at how to braid this footwear. It's just simple long straps, all we need. So here I've cut my straps. It measures 45 centimeter against less than 4 centimeters. So you fold it this way and insert this one this way. Okay, just watch how I'm going to braid it. So once you fold it, make sure that the down one is a bit longer than the upper one, just as I have done mine, just a little bit. So now you are going to shift this down one this way and this one outward. Okay, now fold it this way, the one before you, then this other one, fold it above it and insert it into this loop like so. Okay, now after you've done that, you're going to drag it and make sure that everything is tucked in very well. Okay, and try and make it as flat as possible. So let's get over to it again. So once your straps are ready, you fold it this way. So when you're done folding it this way, you insert it like so. Okay, so now making sure that the down one is longer than the upper strap, unfold, then shift this one this way and this other one out this way. Okay, then we're going to fold this over this way and this other one, fold it this way and tuck it into the loop that we've created already. Then just keep dragging it until everything sits pretty nice. Alright, so now we have successfully braid this one. This one is actually for the right leg. Okay, this one is actually for the right leg. So the left one is going to be braided differently. So now we are going to do the second leg. You remember that the first one we did for the right, we inserted it this way. Okay, so now for the left side, we are going to insert it under, not above this time around. So just insert it this way. Now just as we did before, we are going to shift the strap so that it doesn't align, they are not equal, it's just a little bit. Then shift these ones like so and braid it this way. Okay, it's just very simple. This other left side may be a bit confusing, but with practice you are going to get it all right. So just as we did, keep dragging it until everything sits properly nice. Okay, so this is it. Let me quickly bring the right one so we match up everything. So if you look at it, you see that this one, this side is facing this way, while this one is facing this way. So this one is for the left and this one is for the right. Okay, so this is just the simple way to do it. It's nothing too difficult. You can make it multiple color if you wish, just as the one on your screen, and go ahead and last this. I'll be using a double sole for this. You can use a flat sole or any sole that fits you. Okay, so I'll go ahead and couple my footwears and I'll show you how pretty nice it looks. So the length of the strap, okay, is affected by the width of the strap itself. That is to say, whatever your width is going to affect the length of the strap after braiding it. So always make sure for female that is less than 3.5 centimeter and for male is less than 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the end product of the braiding, how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question for me, drop it in the comment section. I will answer it all. Bye.